Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you the new products by Hello, the toothpaste brand. So first we'll dig into their toothpaste because that's what they're known for. So they have the Good Morning and Good Night. So this one is a Meyer Lemon and Ginseng, and this one is Lavender and Chamomile. So this one I'll start with. I've tried it a few times and it's pretty good. It's very citrusy if you like that kind of taste. So I would definitely recommend it. It did have a good taste to it, so I do like it. I probably would definitely buy this one again. Oh, and just remember with all the Hello products, they are vegan and cruelty-free. They're Leaping Bunny. So since I'm a big advocate for Leaping Bunny, they don't actually have it on the toothpaste, which is kind of weird because they normally do, but they do have it on the box. So yeah, here's the box. So there's the Leaping Bunny symbol, Leaping Bunny symbol, and they both say vegan on them. So vegan, you know, they're good. So these are always, every product that you get is vegan. I believe every single product by Hello is vegan. So don't quote me on that. You might just want to look. Everything I got, everything I'm going to show you is vegan though. So I would say, yeah, if you like citrus, this one's definitely good. It does have that minty taste at the end, so just be prepared for that little aftertaste. And then this one is the lavender, so it's supposed to calm you down, you know, before you go to bed. So I think they did it like that. I didn't really taste lavender though, which is nice, because sometimes it can be a little strong, like especially for a taste in your mouth. I don't know if I'd like that. So I definitely would recommend this one, just to kind of like that cooling sensation when you go to bed. And I got both of these at Target for $5. This is the only thing I found that's new that I got at Target anyway. So about $5 for each of these. And these are 3 ounces. I think they normally come 4. So $5 for these. I spend probably about like 6, 7 on the sensitive one, which is a little bit bigger. Okay, so that's what they're more known for. They also have toothbrush, which of course isn't new, but they do have a replacement head one that is new. So if you're into that and you want to get those, you can look on their website. I did get this in a pack for $10 with a little charcoal and a little toothpaste, like a travel size. Came with a nice little bag. I didn't want to show that to you because it's not really new, but I did want to just tell you that they do have these with replacement heads, like $10 for the brush, and then the replacement heads are like $7, something like that, on their website. That's the only place I could find it, at least right now. They might obviously start going more to Target. But yeah, the toothbrush I do like. It's okay. It is very small, and I do have a small mouth, so even for a small mouth person like me, it's still really small. It feels too small. So other than it being small, it does feel nice. It's not like rough, but I do use a lot of electric, so maybe they should come up with an electric toothbrush too. That would be cool. This is new, and I didn't get everything new that they had. They have some other mouthwashes and stuff. If you just go on their shop all, it will tell you what's brand new. But this is new. This is printed with soy ink, so that's really cool. It's an environmental thing. So they have a regular floss. Normally, I guess they have just the floss sticks. I don't know if it's because the peppermint, that's why it's new. I haven't really used Hello too much except for their toothpaste, so I'm kind of new to the brand. But I would say the floss is kind of annoying, like to open. Like at first, the first time you open it, you really gotta like dig in there. And after that, you're fine. It is pretty long, and you know, it's just normal floss. But I did end up getting this on iHerb instead of their website. I don't know if it was because of the price thing or if it was just because I was already buying stuff from iHerb. So I was like, I saw this and I didn't know it was actually new, so that was cool. But it is a little rough. I'm not a big fan of their floss, in all honesty. It actually ended up getting stuck in my teeth. But it's just kind of rougher than like normal floss like this. And then these, because these are new to me, they don't work very well. They're not very strong. I'm wondering if other people have that problem. I did get these off of eBay for like, I think it was like $4 something. And then the more you buy from the person, the more you get off. But I did buy 2 because I thought, hey, cruelty-free, Sleeping Bunny. You know, I would like to use it, and they're environmentally good too. Plant-based materials, so they do that on this too, but they're just not very strong, so I couldn't really do too much. You probably have to use like 2 to get your whole mouth. So I don't know, but not a big fan of these. So surprisingly, they do make other things. I don't know how long they've had the deodorants, but these are the 2 new ones, and I haven't tried the other deodorants yet. So I will say, not a big fan of the deodorant. It's very rough. So you can see it's very like dry. It's not that smooth. Like on your skin, it's just kind of rough. It doesn't really smooth on. And And this is the Sage and Hibiscus, and it smells okay. It's not like one of my favorite scents, so it's just not a big fan of the deodorant. I did buy this on their website for like $7, so it's a little expensive for a deodorant. But if you like the other ones, you know, give this one a try. Just not a big fan of it. And then they also have the coconut, sweet coconut. Yeah, same thing. You know, it smells okay. It's not, it smells more like just like coconut. So if you like that, you might like this. I just don't like the way that it really goes on. So again, it's just kind of rough. It's not really smooth. And it just, I don't know if it really did much. Honestly, I didn't even know, like, felt like I even had it on, so maybe that's just me. But if you want to try them, if you, like I said, you like the other ones, you might want to try the sweet coconut next because it's new. It looks like the sanitizers are actually a brand new product. I have it in lemon with vitamin E, aloe and sea materials, fresh mint and tea oil, and then this one, which is the lavender and hibiscus. And I think it works pretty good, so I will say they are good on their sanitizers. So yeah, it's just like a clear sanitizer. And you just spray it. And it looks like all these are $4 on their website. So, and I think that's the only place I could get them. And yeah, it smells like lavender, so it doesn't smell a lot like sanitizer. It actually has a smell. So if you try the other ones, let me know. I'm curious on what the lemon or this aloe one smells like. But yeah, I mean, it is a little pricey for a little bottle like this. It is 2 ounces, so a little pricey. So believe it or not, they do soap. They started doing soap, and I will say I love the soap. So I got all 3 of them. I actually bought these on iHerb for $4.30. They were $5 on their website, but when I went to buy it, they were out. So I think they're a hot commodity right now. But they have the Meyer lemon and vitamin E. They have the aloe and sea materials, and then they have the lavender and hibiscus. So their sanitizers are similar to their soaps, but they don't have the tea tree oil one. But I will say I like these. So these are foaming soaps, so you know, they all come out like, so what's really nice is that they have a safety thing. So if you just turn it to like the front or the side is it's locked, and then the front is good to go, or to the kind of the front of the side, you're good to go. So yeah, it just comes out foamy like that. And I will say they all smell really good. So the aloe and sea, I'm just gonna smell it again. Yeah, it smells like very summery, but I think it smells great. And again, it has the little lock. Okay, look, it has a little lock. So I think that's awesome. Oh, it actually spins all the way around. I didn't know that. I kind of just would go like that and then it'd be locked. So yeah, when it's in this curve, it means it's unlocked. And then the lavender smells really good too. Yeah, it just smells more like lavender, that nice like soothing smell. So whenever you want to use it, probably summer too would be good. And then the lemon, I like this one. It's probably actually my favorite. It smells kind of medicine-y, but if that makes sense, because it does have the vitamin E in it, but it does smell lemony. And you feel like you're just getting a nice burst of like lemon and cleanness. But out of all 3, which I like all 3 of them, out of all 3, I would definitely go with this one. It'd probably be about $12 for all 3, which isn't bad. They seem to be lasting me a while. I've only used them for like a couple weeks now. And then these both are new. So when you get them, they say vegan on them, but when you rip off, you have to rip it all the way off. So then they end up looking like this. But these are a little small. On the website, I bought these both for $8. Otherwise, they're $4.49. You're saving about $1 if you buy both in the pack. And I would say they do smell good. They're not very, very big, but they are nice. They're smooth. So I'll go ahead and put the strawberry on. Yeah, and it smells kind of more like lip balm. I think like strawberry, but it's nice that they're vegan, so that's really cool. But I wouldn't say it's like a very strong strawberry, but it is nice. It does have that little strawberry scent. And then this one is sweet mint, and again, it's like not big, but I think you can tell I've used the strawberry a little bit more. In one of my other videos, I said the EOS one, which I won't be buying that anymore unless they become vegan, but I like to save minty for Christmas holiday time. So this one's kind of like that, but I do like it. So yeah, I would say it smells a lot like chocolate mint more than like maybe sweet mint or just mint. But yeah, I like it. So if you like that chocolate mint, you know you're good because it's cruelty free and it's vegan. So again, it's very smooth. Let's try with no beeswax in it. I think that's really interesting that they can do that. But I haven't used any vegan ones. I know there's vegan brands, and that's what I'm gonna have to start buying because that's what I am transitioning into. So this is a good place to start if you're transitioning into vegan. Definitely do Hello. Like I said, I'm pretty sure every single one of their products is vegan, but just really read it, make sure that's what it says. Yeah, just remember this isn't the only new stuff they have. Go on their website, look at that. They have new mouthwash, another new toothpaste. But I hope you like, share, subscribe. See you in my next video. Have a good day. Bye.